Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. First, gather all your ingredients. You will need 6 cups of crispy rice cereal, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, half a cup of unsalted butter, and a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. Make sure your peanut butter is at room temperature for easier mixing. Also, lightly grease a 9x 13-inch baking pan with butter or cooking spray, preparing it for the treats. Now, let's get cooking. In a large saucepan, melt half a cup of butter over low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add the entire 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. Stir continuously until the marshmallows are completely melted and the mixture is smooth and gooey. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can make the treats hard. Remove the pan from the heat immediately after melting. With the marshmallow mixture off the heat, it's time for the star ingredient. Add 1 cup of peanut butter to the warm marshmallow mixture. Stir vigorously until the peanut butter is fully incorporated and the mixture is smooth and uniform. Next, gently fold in the 6 cups of crispy rice cereal. Mix carefully until all the cereal is evenly coated with the delicious peanut butter marshmallow blend. Now, transfer the entire mixture into your greased 9x 13-inch pan. Use a buttered spatula or wax paper to press the treats down firmly and evenly into the pan. This ensures they hold together well. Let them cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before cutting into squares. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade peanut butter Rice Krispie treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.